Good morning, fam. So, I don't know if you guys saw the video I posted yesterday with my hair and how I did it with the PHC, and I added more water and less product. I wanted it to be more fluffy, and here's my hair with less water and more product, and you can see more curl definition and less frizz with the with more product and less water. So PHC is so versatile in that way that it will still moisturize my hair and have it soft with more water and less product, and then give me a totally different look with more product and less water. So I want to show you guys the difference. Same hairstyle. So here's the picture of how it looked yesterday. And here's how it is today. So get a little closer and let you guys see that. See the curls and the shine, and it's soft and very moisturized, like I said. So I hope you guys have a great Monday, and I'll see you later.